everyone, my name is Janam Patel. I'm in grade 7 and I represent my school, Ancaster Meadow Elementary School, for the Science Fair 2022 to provide a presentation on the question, how do sugary drinks damage your teeth? Firstly, I'd like to thank you all for your time to listen to my presentation. Now, who doesn't like sugary drinks? Especially kids. Goes without saying, I love sugary drinks too. They're delicious. Everyone likes to drink artificially sweetened drinks, such as soft drinks, juices, sports drinks, and even fruit drinks. Have you ever wondered if these drinks can damage your teeth to the extent to create a tooth erosion? Which is basically when your tooth enamel starts to disappear. If you're wondering, the tooth enamel is the thin outer layer of your teeth. The tooth erosion happens because of the acids in various drinks we consume. This is one of the most common concerns parents have for their children in today's world, similar to my parents. My goal is to educate and provide information to as many people as possible, especially children. Another reason why I picked this question is that this will serve as the first step towards my goal of becoming a pediatric dental surgeon. I choose to perform the experiment to answer the question, how do sugary drinks damage your teeth? In order to conclude on my experiment, I performed a few steps. First, I poured all of the drinks into transparent plastic cups. Then, I labeled all of them to indicate or identify the type of drink it contains. I then dropped an egg into each drink. After waiting for 10 minutes, I took a picture of the eggs and dropped them back into their respective plastic cups based on the labels. I left all the cups in my garage and waited for 10 days. After 10 days, I took the eggs out of the plastic cups and placed them on separate plates. I reviewed the changes in color of the eggs, documented my results based on the analysis of results. So basically, I used the method of performing an actual experiment, gather the results after the experiment period, and analyze the results, and drew conclusions based on the analysis of the results. I noticed that all 4 eggs had a change of color on the outside and inside of the eggshell because of the sugary drinks it was dropped in, although the level of darkness of the color varied. Even after washing the eggs with water, the color stains remained the same. The eggs were extremely fragile while washing. As such, some of them broke into small pieces as shown in the pictures. Basically, based on the results, I noticed that out of the 4 eggs, the egg that was dropped in sparkling ice had the darkest stain, followed by the egg dropped in Gatorade. That turned into solid blue color. The egg dropped in Coca-Cola turned brown, but it had various shades of brown on it. The least impacted out of the 4 eggs was the one dropped in Canada Dry ginger ale, as it only had a few strands of brown color on it, and it was a light brown color all over it. Based on the experiment and analyzing the results of the experiment, I can conclude that the level of negative impact may vary, but overall, all sugary drinks have a negative impact to our teeth and have the capacity to damage our teeth and could cause a tooth erosion. Therefore, I learned a very important aspect that will help maintain healthy teeth in my life, and I hope it will help you to understand the level of damage sugary drinks can cause to your teeth too. Now that we all know that these drinks negatively impact the color of our teeth, I believe this should not end here. If I had the time and resources to do so, I would be more than willing and interested to know, how do other food items and natural drinks impact our teeth, such as desserts, especially cold desserts, fast food, and homemade beverages. That concludes my presentation. I once again thank you for your time.